Tired of that same paneer bhurji and paneer butter masala? Looking for a unique paneer gravy recipe? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Udorpurti. Today's recipe is Dahi Paneer. At first, in a blending jar, take onion, garlic, ginger, green chili, cashew nuts. Then add sauf and jeera. Add all the powdered masala like turmeric, jeera, coriander and red chili powder. Add some water and make a paste. Then in a pan, add oil and ground spices. Then add that paste, cook well until oil separates. Add salt and sugar. Add curd and mix it with masala. After some time, add paneer cubes. We have used raw paneer, but you may fry the paneer and then add in the gravy. Add garam masala powder. Add some water for gravy. Cover and cook for almost 3 minutes. After that, add chopped coriander leaves and crushed kasoori methi. Now you are done. Cover and give some resting time. Now enjoy a very unique and easy Dahi Paneer. If you like our video, then please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.